Hello, and welcome to this week's Tips and Tricks video. My name is Larissa Cunningham, and I am an Evolve 365 learning strategist with Planet Technologies. So today I'm going to showcase a couple of features that are available when you use your Microsoft Edge browser. So I have already opened a couple of tabs here in Microsoft Edge, and we're going to be focusing up here in the top right-hand corner where you should see your profile icon. So right now, I currently only have my favorites showcasing here, but we're going to add two new features. So when you right click on that area, you should see this choice to customize your toolbar. And when you select that, it will open a new tab with your Edge settings in the appearance area of that. So when we scroll down, we're looking for two of them in particular that we're going to add to our toolbar here. The first is going to be this split screen option, and the second is going to be the screenshot option. So I'm going to toggle both of those on, and you'll notice up here at the top, I now see those as tools that I can easily use. So when I come back to one of these tabs that I'm working in, we now have some options to quickly capture information or be working on two things simultaneously. So when we choose the screenshot option here, it is going to give me a couple of quick choices. So the first is to capture a small area. Potentially, I only want this section, or I can choose to capture the entire screen area. That is going to allow everything currently visible on this web page screen to quickly transfer into a screenshot without the clutter of the web address and additional tabs there. But when we select Capture Full Page, this will actually do a little bit of a scrolling feature for us so that we can get more information within that screenshot. So when I select that, immediately it will take a look down and I have that full page, even though a little bit was beyond where I was able to view in that moment. So you can, of course, make annotations as needed. You can share directly from here or simply copy this to your clipboard and paste where you need to. So that's the first feature I'd like to showcase, but the second is going to be beneficial if you're working in two places at once, but don't necessarily want several different windows open. So in Edge, you can directly work with a split screen view. So this icon here is going to open up the other tabs that I have open in this area, and I can now open up a document that I'm currently editing or working on without having to jump back and forth between those tabs. They're both easily viewable and something you can interact with. So I hope this helps and gives you some different ideas to try and potentially customize so that this works as best as it can for you. Thank you for joining us this week, and I hope you have a great day.